Hi. If you're in a position like I am at times, I get up real early and I don't want to wake the wife up with the audio, so I have to use live captions. And there's a function in Chrome. If you go to the show notes, theguyarcookreport.podbean.com, I've got a link to that knowledge base article from support@google.com on using live captions in Chrome. Okay? So next time you have a whereby call with your Chrome browser, you can have the captions be automatically generated into that environment, and the captions are processed locally so you don't have to leave your browser, and they're never stored so you don't need anything to worry about privacy being compromised or anything. So if you close the caption window, the same steps are in the show notes, then you can turn the captions back off, or if you want to refresh and see them again, then do that. Okay? I want to thank all the time that you've devoted to this episode of the Guy R. Cook Report. I hope that link helps you out in some way. Thanks to the patrons that support this effort. It's a wrap. And this is how you get in touch with yours truly, Guy R. Cook. There's theguyarcookreport.com, and there's a contact form if you go to guyarcook.com, just like it shows in text there. Or you can call my new cell phone number, 509-200-1429. I look forward to talking to you.